Hey guys, I'm just going to quickly show you how to do a patch on a modified bitumen or torch down style roof using this Henry's wet patch rubberized, so it's the level up for the Henry's wet patch product. It's a 10-year warranty. If you are doing this constantly to your roof, doing these patches, you may think about it's time to get a new roof, where you'd want to go with maybe a TPO roof or a urethane roof, something that's a little more impervious to water with a flat roof than just this torch down roofing material. So really quick, I'm just going to show you how to do a simple patch. You can do this patch in the rain, you can do it in the cold. If you come out and you see water coming down through the roof, you can run up on your roof and apply this material right then and there. And there's just a couple things you have to do. It's really simple. So let's get to it. Okay, the first thing you want to do here, which is a no-brainer, is you want to put on your rubber gloves. Obviously, this can get messy. Gloves on. Then, what you want to do is open up your can of Henry's right here, and you just pry these little tabs out. There it is, the sauce, the secret sauce. Okay, now you can see this has already been patched, obviously, a few times, and there's crud in it, leaves, and obviously you don't want to put that stuff back in. Alright, so now what you want to do first is lay down a layer of the wet patch, and then you're going to lay down this repair fabric. So first thing we're going to do is lay down the wet patch. Just want to get a nice layer on there. Alright, now that I have the surface covered with a thin layer, I'm going to put this repair mesh in. It's easiest just to cut it with some scissors and cut it into some smaller pieces, and then you can apply it where need be. Just want to press it in, and you'll see that as you press it in, you'll start to see the tar come up through, and it will turn black, so you know you got it in there pretty good. Alright, once you get it pressed in there, then you can apply another layer of the rubberized asphalt over the top of it. Alright, that's it. That's our finished wet patch spot repair on this flat torch down roof. Remember to use your mesh so it doesn't crack, gives it a little more longevity. and you should be good. I got a lot more patches to do on this roof, so I'm gonna keep on going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.